Randall, you don't even care anymore, do you? You're just like, yeah, that guy's a nutbag. Yes, Snuggles. You gonna get him? What is he doing? Let's see if we can get closer without disturbing the balance. And there's a hole in the bag. I'm pretty sure I can see out. This is the bag that always lives under the wooden chest, because if it was always out, it would be demolished and there would be paper shreds everywhere. Oh, there's a paw. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Bag fight. Alright. Suddenly it was a cat head. Litkin, you're fantastic. What are you doing, little man? Okay. Oh, kisses are nice. That didn't last long. You trying to go back in? You gotta open the big hole, not the little one. Meow, 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 meow. Litkin is a bagaholic. Meow, meow, meow. Chill out, guys. Yeah, twitchy tails. Alright, I think that's enough of a movie. Yeah. Little video of kitty kitties. Be good! Don't eat each other. Okay. Bye-bye.